Hi, I'm Jack. I'm going to take you around this brand new Volkswagen.
This is the T-Cross Black Edition, finished in a lovely Makena turquoise metallic paint, featuring the 1 litre TSI petrol engine producing 110 PS with a 6-speed manual gearbox. So the car benefits from the manufacturer's 3-year warranty alongside 12 months roadside assistance to give you peace of mind motoring. At the front of the vehicle you got adaptive cruise control alongside LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. And inside the car, you've got this lovely design pack with the 17-inch Manila black alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly. You've also got your gloss black wing mirror covers, which are power folding and heated, and privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards as well. You have a generous amount of boot space available with the adjustable boot floor currently in its lowest setting, with split folding seats, so plenty of room there for your weekly shop plus much more. Moving on to the interior, these lovely black edition seats with the part cloth and part leather seat. Isofix points in the outer seats and a couple of USB ports in the back as well for your rear passengers. And at the front of the vehicle you've got that gloss black trim there. Also a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel and a centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable. Alongside digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth, you'll also benefit from the brilliant AppConnect system. This will give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. You'll have peace of mind parking up as well with front and rear parking sensors, with the guidelines as you can see there as well. And a little bit further down the cabin you've got your manual air conditioning, with a little bit of storage just below there and a couple more USB ports to charge multiple devices on the move.
This vehicle comes with 3 years warranty as well as 12 months roadside assistance. For any more information, please give us a call on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.